Hello everyone, welcome to MDC Learning. So in today's video we are going to cover a very important topic of TY BCom from module number 1, that is health and family welfare. As I told you yesterday only, social infrastructure is a very important for the development of any nation. And whenever we talk about social infrastructure, it divides into two parts, physical as well as social. So when we talk about social, it include education, health, family welfare, etc. So yesterday only we have covered the scheme, programs, measure taken by government for propagandation, means to propound the education in country like India. Propound means to famous, to spread the education in country like India, like Sarva Shikshan Abhiyan, midday meal facility, then Sakshar Abhiyan. So this type of concept we have done yesterday only. So in today's video we are going to cover what type of measures taken by government for health and family welfare. So in this video we are going to cover how health sectors are working in our country and what type of arrangement government did for a development of the health and family welfare center at each and every level of the society, like on local level, district level, center level, state level, and how it is working, that we are going to do. मतलब शॉर्ट में हमें ये करना है कि हेल्थ सेंटर किस तरह से सेटअप हुए हैं और वो किस तरह से काम करते हैं और कितनी पॉपुलेशन के लिए किस तरह का हेल्थ सेंटर गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन टूडेज video. So please, it's request watch entire video from first to end, and it can become for short note. Generally it's very easy, we have seen such type of things in our villages also. Okay. Public healthcare services are an essential requirement for achieving economic development. Yes, this is true. Whenever we want to achieve economic development, that time we require healthy people to work. If human is healthy, then it will be automatically give his 100% for the development of the nation. If human is not healthy, then there is no chance for economic development. As we know, best example of Japan, their people are working from 12 to 14 hours. The reason is there because of their immunity. So what the point wants to say, when people are healthy, that time it will automatically help to achieve economic development. Now how health center set up in country like India, that we are going to do. So health center set up in country like India in a 3 tier. First is called primary level, secondary level and tertiary level. So on primary level, which type of health centers are available in our country, that we are going to do. So on primary level, number one is sub center, that is called SC. Sub center are usually located in underdeveloped and remote rural area. अंडरडेवलप एंड रिमोट रूरल एरिया में जो बहुत ही गाँवटी टाइप की जो places है, which are far away from market, where there is no proper facility, people are just staying in a small houses, people are going outside for the water and all. So sub center are generally located in an underdeveloped and very remote rural area, and it covers the population of 3000 to 5000. See, sub center, it located in very remote rural area and it covered the population between 3000 to 5000, and this scheme funded entirely by central government. It mean इस फंड के ऊपर जो पूरा का पूरा खर्चा है वो कौन करता है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट करती है. Next, you have seen many type of what we call clinic you can find in village area, like a Upswak Kendra, Datanam. Next is primary health center. This is also work on a primary level. Primary health center, which is known as PHC. You should remember the short form, because when we go ahead, that time they will use short form only. Okay, these exist in a large villages with a population between 20,000 to 30,000. See, SC located in an area where population is between 3,000 to 5,000, and PHC, it is located in an area It generally located in large villages where population covering is 20,000 to 30,000. तो ये कौन से प्लेसेस पे होती है जहाँ पर थोड़ी सी जो गांव थोड़े बड़े हों और जहाँ की पॉपुलेशन 20 से 30,000 हो. एंड these are clinic with the doctors and paramedics. See, these are just a, this is a special type of clinic like a PHE generally located in a area or villages where population is 20,000 or 30,000. और ये एक पूरा क्लिनिक होता है, एक सेटअप होता है कि हाँ दिस इज़ कॉल्ड क्लिनिक. एंड देयर यू विल गेट डॉक्टर फैसिलिटी ऑल्सो एंड पैरामेडिक लाइक कंपाउंडर, नर्स वगैरह इस तरह के गवर्नमेंट लोग अपॉइंट करके उस एरिया पे रखते हैं. यू हैव सीन सच टाइप लाइक Unchabal dispensary, then so these are the some. See, SC कहाँ पर होता है जहाँ पर पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम हो, अंडर डेवलप हो, एकदम छोटा सा हॉस्पिटल टाइप में, डिस्पेंसरी टाइप में होगा. एंड PSC में एक क्लिनिक होता है जहाँ पर आपको प्रॉपर डॉक्टर और कंपाउंडर अरेंज करके रखा जाता है गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू. एंड दिस ऑल स्कीम फंडेड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज कॉल्ड secondary level. So on primary level, two schemes are working, that is called SC and next is called PSC. Secondary level or secondary level, first is community health center. See, these are the hospital which is covering particular community only, and these are located in semi-urban area covering population between 80,000 to 1,20,000, and it is funded by state government. See, some communities are there which are minority and those are not able to mix with other. So community wise they are making a health center एंड जनरली इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन सेमी अर्बन, जो मतलब पूरी तरह से शहर भी नहीं हो और गांव भी नहीं हो, उस तरह के एरिया में होते हैं. एंड इट जनरली कवर पॉपुलेशन बिटवीन 80,000 टू 1,20,000 एंड दिस स्कीम इज़ अ फुल्ली फंडेड बाय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड SDS. इट इज़ जनरली लोकेटेड इन लोअर हेल्थ लेवल सेंटर. ये छोटे टाइप के हेल्थ सेंटर होते हैं एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव अ बेड फैसिलिटी. 100 से 500 तक उनके पास बेड होते हैं. एंड सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, देर आर टोटल 763 सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल फंक्शनिंग इन 714 डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन इंडिया. हमारे 714 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में टोटल 763 सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल वर्किंग में है. इट इज़ लाइक अ क्लिनिक से थोड़ा बड़ा हॉस्पिटल वी कैन से, लाइक दिस टाइप वेर यू विल गेट प्रॉपर फैसिलिटी, लाइक बहुत सारे इक्विपमेंट मशीनरी वहाँ रहती है, लाइक एंड कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर वेयर पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी पीपल विल ओनली गो एंड दीज आर जस्ट लार्ज इन साइज. सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल कीकरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज tertiary level. Tertiary level means on a third level. So it is advanced type of what we call facility which is provided in a field of health center. So it work in a which way? First is All India Institution of Medical Science, that is called AIIMS. You must be heard in a television. And specialized hospital under the central government. See, these are AIIM. These are the special hospital which is under control by central government. It is mostly located in New Delhi, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Raipur and Rishikesh. And it is joint responsibility of state government as well as central government. Next is medical colleges and hospital. Many medical colleges are set up by the government and it is funded by state government. State level premium medical colleges are also available. Next you must be seen All India Institution of Medical. ये एक तरह का स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फंडेड होता है एंड जनरली इट इज़ वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ एंटायर कंट्री. और जो बहुत बड़े बड़े डॉक्टर्स होते हैं या जो एकदम हाई लेवल एजुकेशन पे जो जाते हैं वो इसमें स्टडी करते हैं. यू कैन सी देर आर टोटल 7 AIIMS. फर्स्ट इन दिल्ली, भोपाल, भुवनेश्वर, जोधपुर, पटना, रायपुर एंड ऋषिकेश. एंड these are providing excellent type of facilities like everything is available, almost the big operation or we can say all type of machinery is available in that particular area. Next is India Public Health Standard, that is called IPHS. The IPHS were published in 2007 to provide a reference point for the functioning of SC, PSC, CHC, SDS and DHC. HS. This is already a full form, already I explained you ahead. सो ये क्या है, इंडियन पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर, इट इज़ लाइक वन टाइप ऑफ रेफरेंस बुक वी कैन से. सो व्हाट इज़ द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी सेंटर, इनका पूरा डिटेल ये पब्लिश करता है. एंड what they used to do, they find out like a follow uniform standard by the health center and hospital to make public health care services more effective. What the point wants to say, Indian public health standard ये क्या चेक करता है कि whatever facility provided on a primary level, secondary level, tertiary level, are they following all the rules and regulation regarding the health, are they following all the rules and regulation which is set up by the government, लाइक दे आर वर्किंग एज पर द हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री. लाइक जो भी रूल्स रेगुलेशन बनाया गया ये सब सेंटर फॉलो करते हैं कि नहीं, इनका चेकिंग करने का काम कौन करता है, इंडियन पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर. अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फिजिशियन डेंसिटी पर 1000 पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया वॉज 0.758 इन 2060. मतलब 1000 के एरिया में, मतलब हम किस में हैं, मीडियम में. एज पर द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, 1000 के मीटर पे एक एक हॉस्पिटल होना, मतलब जहाँ 1000 लोग हैं वहाँ पर एक एक हॉस्पिटल होना चाहिए. सो हम मीडियम ग्रुप में हैं. लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी फॉर मेल इज़ 67.4 ईयर एंड फॉर फीमेल इज़ 70.3 ईयर. लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी मीन्स ज़्यादा करके जो मेल है वो 67.4 ईयर तक जीते हैं और फीमेल है वो 70.3 ईयर्स तक जीते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज, सो इंडियन पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर, इट इज़ what we call controlled by Dr. Kunal Varia, and as per the point they wants to say that this is one type of institution which handle or which find out the rules and regulation properly followed by all the level, like tertiary level, afterward on CSC, SDS, ये सब जो भी रूल्स रेगुलेशन है ये प्रॉपर फॉलो करते हैं कि नहीं, इनका ये दिखाया जाता है. सो ये सी दिस क्वेश्चन जनरली नॉट यूज टू कम इन एग्जाम, बट फॉर योर रेफरेंस यू जस्ट गो थ्रू द टॉपिक. इट इज़ जस्ट हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारे कंट्री में जो हेल्थ सेंटर है वो कौन से लेवल पे किस तरह से काम करते हैं. So this video will definitely help you to increase your knowledge, and student, please do your study and keep yourself busy in a study only. That will be good for you. So stay blessed and happy and stay at home. Thank you so much. God bless you.